Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Gym Beginner Series. Today I'm going to show you how I track a strength workout using the Strong app. So here I have the Strong app open and I'm going to start a workout. And I'm going to add some exercises that I want to complete today. So it's going to be a leg day for me. We're going to do a leg curl, seated leg curl machine. Then we're going to add a leg extension. And then we're gonna add a glute kickback. Just for demonstration, I'm gonna do those 3 exercises. So we're here at the seated leg curl machine. I'm gonna set the weight to 55. I wanna knock out 3 sets of 12 reps. So let's get started. 1. So I did 55 pounds for 12 reps. Now I'm gonna add another set. And it keeps it the same, which is cool. We're gonna go for another 12, but I'm going to use this rest timer. So it tells me how much time I have to rest. 3, 2. Once we're done, we're gonna hit finish and finish workout. And then we can save this as a template if we're gonna do this the same exact routine again. Then we can call it 3 lower body. Save, and then the next time we come into this app, we can see that the workout is a template. And if we wanted to start it, we would see exactly what weights we did before. If we wanted to increase the weights or increase the reps, we could. So that's a pretty neat feature with the Strong Workout app. So it's a nice way to keep track of the weights you've used and the reps you've done. So when you're strength training, you want to make sure that you're doing everything you can to prevent injuries. And in the next episode, we'll be talking about just that. Thanks for watching.